Hello, year one, and welcome to your free flow activity today. So what you will need for free flow today is you will need some paper towel or kitchen roll, to call it in England. You will need some felt tips, okay? You will need a plate. Now, preferably if it was white, but if you have a paper plate or if you don't have a white plate, if you have just a plain plate, it will help, and you will need some water. Okay, so if you want, you can watch the whole video and then do the activity, or you could pause it now and then come back when you have everything. So what we're going to be doing is we are going to be making some paper towel fun art. So what you need first is you've got your paper towel, okay? Then you need to fold it in half. And this is important because what you're going to do is you're going to draw on one side, okay? And we want the ink from the felt tip to go through. So let me show you. So I'm going to put it down here. And I am going to draw a turtle first. So I'm going to turn it, I put a piece of paper underneath just so that it won't go through my table. So I'm going to take my black, I'm going to draw a turtle. So you'll see what it looks like when I finish. Okay, so now I'm going to draw my little turtle head. And I'm going to then draw some lines on the back of my turtle. So I've drawn my turtle. Now, if I open up my paper towel, you can see that it's gone through. So that means what I'm going to do then is I'm going to open up my paper towel and I'm going to now color this one. I'm not going to color the top, I'm going to color this one. So I'm then going to get my red, and so I'm going to just color it in with my felt tip. Now you can do lots of these. I've done another one, which I'll show you after I'll finish. So I'm going to color this in, color in my turtle. I'm going to make him a bright turtle because we know turtles aren't normally orange and red, but I am going to color him in like this. I'm going to give him maybe some green legs and arms. So now I'm doing it quickly so that you guys can see it, but remember, you can take your time. Make sure, like I have, you put a piece of paper underneath because you don't want to have it go through onto a table. So I color in. Now, if you don't have felt tips, this might be a bit tricky because what you need, well, you'll see in a minute why you need felt tips. So if you don't have felt tips, then you can just do some drawings of some of your favorite things, an animal or something. Okay, and oh, I'll put yellow in the middle. Okay, so I have now colored the inside. So if I flip it back over, you can't see, and there's the inside. Okay, now you can see it went through my paper, so I'm glad I didn't do it on the table. Now this is another one I did earlier. So I had done kind of a train, and then if you look it up, you can see I've colored on the inside. Okay, so I've now got my two paper towel drawings. So now what you need to do, so is you take your plate, okay, and you now are going to put some water on your plate. Just like that. Now remember, if you need to have a grown-up to help you just so you don't want to spill. Now, this is where, fingers crossed, the magic is going to happen. So I'm now going to take my turtle and I'm going to put him in like this. Did you see that? That happened so fast. I wish I had a slow motion camera, I could have shown it to you again, but have a look. You can see my turtle. Look at him. So to see how fast that went, look at that. Oh, and now if I move him around, it's disappeared. So it's only, I guess, a one-time thing. So I need to quickly go and dump this out, and then we'll do it again, okay? So let me get another plate. Okay, I'm back. I didn't realize it was going to be like that. So now I've got, this time, got a green plate. I'm going to put my water on. Just a little bit this time. Okay, I'm going to fill it all up. Okay, so I've now, remember, I've got my train, just a normal train. So we're going to make some fun. So I'm going to put it in, and we'll see the color from the bottom absorb through the paper towel into the top. So just from the water. So when I put the paper towel in the water is absorbing into it, and then it's transferring the color underneath. Okay, so you have to watch quickly. You don't want it to miss it. So here we go. Are you ready? Look at that. Fantastic. Now, you can do this lots and lots. You can do this as many times as you're allowed to. Don't want to waste too much paper towel. And just be careful, because after you've done it, you can see, so if I lift it up, it actually doesn't look too bad, but you can see the water then gets turned into lots of different colors. I'm going to try something. Let's see, I'm going to put this in my water. I've got a plain paper towel, so there's nothing on it. I'm just going to fold it up. I'm just going to see what happens when I put it in. Let's see what happens. Ooh. Look at that. That's actually pretty cool. And it is actually quite sunny out. So you could, if you are allowed, you could take them out to dry. Or just do what I've done. You could just take them out. You could, or just put them in the bin. Just a fun activity, with some paper towel and felt tips. You can do lots of different drawings. So you could do a flower, a butterfly, you could do a car, you could do a person, you could do a mountain, you could do a dinosaur. You can do anything you want. So have fun, paper towel, art with felt tips and water. Can't get any better than that. So enjoy. See you later. Bye.